Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to generate AI images inside ChatGPT using a simple plugin. So as you can see in this example, I have used a simple prompt to generate an image of a futuristic cityscape at sunset with flying cars and towering skyscrapers, and inside ChatGPT I have received the generated image, so I didn't have to use any kind of third-party tools like DALL-E, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion. All I had to do is install this plugin, and the plugin we're gonna use in this example is Argil.ai. So I'm going to show you how to use this plugin to generate images like this one. So if you're not familiar with this plugin, I have a full tutorial on the Argil.ai ChatGPT plugin. In that article I talk about some of the use cases, and I also share some prompts you can use the Argil.ai ChatGPT plugin with. So if you're interested in those prompts, make sure to check out this article in the description below. And you can also get access to a complete database of all currently available ChatGPT plugins that can be installed from the ChatGPT plugin store. You can search this plugin database by category, plugin name, description, and get quick access to ChatGPT plugin video tutorials, the best use cases and prompts for all available ChatGPT plugins. The database can be downloaded for free, but you can also support the maintenance and the frequent updates of the database with a small donation. Any support is appreciated. You can get access to this database by using the link in the description below. But now let's see an example on how to use the Argil.ai ChatGPT plugin. So if you haven't used plugins before, you have to first enable plugins in your ChatGPT account. And to be able to enable plugins, you have to be a ChatGPT Plus subscriber. If you don't know how to enable plugins, I have another tutorial on my YouTube channel that you can check out. But once plugins are enabled, we have to install the Argil.ai ChatGPT plugin so we can generate AI images inside ChatGPT. And to do that, all we have to do is click on New Chat on the left, then make sure that GPT-4 is selected, then from the drop-down select plugins, then click on this Argil.ai icon here, and as you can see, it's currently installed for me. If it's not for you, you have to scroll down on this list, then click on Plugin Store and install the Argil.ai ChatGPT plugin. You also have to create an Argil.ai account and authorize the Argil.ai plugin to be able to use ChatGPT. It's absolutely free to do. If you have any kind of issues or error, make sure to check out my other tutorial that is specifically for the Argil.ai ChatGPT plugin. And I also show you how to authorize the plugin if you don't know how to do that. But once the plugin is installed, the last thing you have to do is make sure that the Argil.ai plugin is enabled. And once the plugin is enabled, now we can generate AI images inside the ChatGPT using simple ChatGPT prompts. Alright, so this is the image prompt I have come up with. Generate an image of a painting that has colorful tulips and is in the style of Van Gogh. Alright, so let's see what the plugin will do. All you have to do is click on send message. So as you can see, you don't have to use any kind of function or anything else. ChatGPT is clever enough to know that if you want to generate an image and the plugin is enabled, it has to use the Argil.ai ChatGPT plugin. So let's see what the plugin will come up with and what kind of image will be generated. So here is the generated image based on our request. So it's pretty good, as you can see, because it's in the style of Van Gogh and it's a painting featuring colorful tulips. Of course, you can be always more fine-tuned with your image prompts. This video is not about that. I have other tutorials on my YouTube channel that you can check out on image prompts and on my website as well. But all in all, this is how to use the Argil.ai ChatGPT plugin to generate AI images inside ChatGPT using any kind of other tools. So you don't have to even leave ChatGPT to generate AI images. If you want to learn more about other ChatGPT plugins that you can use to not only to create images, but create videos, blog posts, or find ChatGPT plugin tutorials that can be used for finance, cryptocurrency trading, business, productivity, I have a ton of tutorials on my YouTube channel that you can check out, and more are coming up, so make sure to subscribe. And also, if you want to get access to the complete ChatGPT plugin database that includes categories, searchable descriptions, and more, you can also find the link to that in the video description below.